khush aamdiid. Khush aamdiid. The word for you are welcome. For example, you are welcome to this office. You are welcome to my home. We say khush aamdeed. Khush aamdeed. You are welcome. You are welcome to this office, or you are welcome to my house. Khush aamdeed. And the word for please come in is tashreef laiye. Tashreef laiye. Tashreef laiye. Please come in. Tashreef laiye. Please come in. Tashreef laiye.